Today we're going to talk about one of the most common causes of low pressure, which is the check ball becoming stuck. Due to shipping conditions, as well as hard water deposits being left behind from using the pressure washer last, the ball can get stuck inside the seat, not allowing the unloader to do its job and to generate the pressure. If you find yourself in a low pressure situation like that, my first recommendation is checking out and seeing if your ball is stuck in the seat. So first off, we're going to want to take a pick to get access to our holder for the unloader cap and remove the cap. Next, take a 24 millimeter wrench and remove the unloader from the manifold. Once the unloader is removed from the manifold, we'll want to do a visual inspection on the unloader, ensure that there's no deposits stuck in any of the orifices or the plunger moves back and forth. Should take very little effort to push it in, springs back itself, and to look for no rust. If you find yourself with some rust on it, much like this unloader here, it is highly recommended to replace it. Otherwise, that's just going to cause you more issues going down the line. So look for the rust, look for any of the deposits. If you don't have any of those, you should be good. Again, just make sure the ports are clean. The next step is to get access to our seat. So we'll want a large head flat to go down inside to screw this off. And it's just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So going in the normal direction to loosen this up. Once that's unthreaded, we're going to take a pair of needle nose, grab our seat, and again, same thing with the unloader. Do a visual inspection for it, make sure there's no debris or anything causing any clogs or rust. If you find yourself with rust like this, again, replace it. It's just going to save you from a lot of headache later on. Now the ball is down inside the manifold, so thankfully in this situation it was not stuck in our seat, which is what you want. You want to be able to pull the seat out without the ball being stuck in there. Otherwise, if it is stuck, poke the ball out. Again, look at the inside, clean it out if need be. I always just recommend spraying some cleaner or some silicone through it. That way it can push things out. Once you've cleaned it, you'll take your ball, put it back inside the manifold head, and then we'll reinsert the seat back into place. Before doing that, you will want to put some grease on the O-ring. That way it can seal properly. It's not dry. That way it doesn't cause any damage to the O-ring when you are inserting it. Put that right down in. Take our screwdriver, tighten this back up into place. Doesn't have to be overly tight. So once you get that snug, just kind of give it a little bit to torque it down. Just like that. Next step, to install our unloader. Again, I'll take some silicone spray it around the plunger. That way that can get inside and settle in and hopefully keep that going better. And then O-rings as well. Get the grease before we install it back into the manifold head. We'll fasten that down. That just snug. Put our unloader cap back into place and fasten it. The next step after this is to hook up your water and test it. Now, biggest recommendation we can give to make it so that this doesn't happen to you in the future If you're done using your pressure washer and you know it's going to sit for a 7-day period or longer, we recommend running some pump guard through it. We sell this in our store. It's readily available. But this just allows that water to get pushed out. It's an aerosol can. You hook it up to the water inlet. It pushes any excess water out. It conditions the inside of the manifold, so it helps to keep all your O-rings, your plastics, your valves, your unloader, everything clean and free of debris. That way, as it sits, it doesn't get any of that contaminants still in there causing problems later on. So if you have any other questions or comments, please subscribe, leave a comment below, or give us a call.